Hey folks, how you doing? Roberto with Pinnacle Property here again at Bonita National Golf and Country Club, and today we're going to preview this executive home from Lennar. It's the Victoria floor plan. This is a 2-bedroom with a den, 2-car side load garage. Comes with a lot of great features and options. This home is currently priced at $417,000. But with some of these great discounts that Lennar is offering, we can get you down into that $396 range. That's a savings of about $21,000 here on this home. It's due to be complete here within the next 60 days or so. Let's run inside, take a look at this home as it's currently under construction. I'll be ready for you here in the next couple months. You've got the paver driveway, storm impact windows and doors, tile roof. That's all part of the package that you're going to get here with Lennar. And as we walk into this particular home, on the left side of the home, we're going to walk in to a spacious den here. A lot of folks will use this as a flex room, make it even a 3rd bedroom, depending on what your highest and best use is for it. Directly across from the den, you've got a closet here in the hallway. And then to my right, you have the laundry room here. You can see it comes with the washer and dryer, also the utility sink. You also get cabinetry above the washer and dryer for plenty of storage. Your garage, plenty of room for your 2 cars. It's also epoxy lined on the flooring, which is really nice. You've got tile in all the main areas. You'll have carpet in the bedrooms. Your guest bath here, you've got this beautiful granite countertops. You've got your antique white cabinets in this particular home. And then that sits off the first guest bedroom here. You've got nice wood shelving in all your closets, bifold door here. And then coming back out into the main areas here, this home opens up into a really nice, great room design here. Got a tray ceiling, triple sliders overlooking your lanai area, and then you've got this beautiful kitchen overlooking your great room and dining spaces here. Wall oven and microwave. You've got your pantry closet there. You have your standalone cooktop with the vented hood. Under cabinet lighting. You also have a tray ceiling here in the kitchen. Crown molding all through the main areas here. You have a tray ceiling above your dining space as well. All of this is included in that $396 price. And directly off the great room here is your master. Really nice sized master here. You've got your double sliders going out to your lanai area. Again, you have tray ceiling here, crown molding. That's all part of the package here with this Victoria. Then you've got a couple of nice closets over here. Really nice sized walk-in closet on the right side. Plenty of space there. And then your bathroom, you've got dual sinks, separate soaking tub. And then you also have this really nice size walk-in shower. Really nice size shower here. And then you also have, directly behind me, your separate water closet for privacy. And finally, you have this other closet here on the opposite side. So you have 2 closets. This one's more of the coat style closet as opposed to the walk-in. And in this particular home, one of the great features is outside here in your lanai space. This is one of the only floor plans that Lennar offers that actually has a true pool bath for the executive line here. So you have a pool bath here, pavers in the back. Your setup over here on this wall, you've got some electric. You can build an outdoor kitchen in here. A lot of folks will put a grill, a vented hood, or just make an entertainment area. Then you have a really nice preserve view back here. This home is just waiting for you to come up with your own pool design, add it to it. You can do anything you like to the back here. You can hire your own pool contractor and design whichever pool you like. You can contact me. I'll be happy to give you some recommendations. So yes, this home here, ready to go here in the next couple months, within about 60 days, definitely by November. It's the Victoria. This is a non-golf home, so it does not come with a golf membership, so you do not have to pay any of the yearly fees towards the golf. Again, this home here, right now they're asking $417. We can get you down to $396. That's a savings of $21,000 on this home. Give me a call at 239-671-4046. That's 239-671-4046. You can also reach me on my website at bonitanationalcc.com. That's bonitanationalcc.com, where you can find all the latest and greatest information about Bonita National. Or you can also email me, Roberto at bonitanationalcc.com. Be happy to help you out with this home or any other home that you're looking for here in Bonita National. Talk to you soon, guys.